Inside SEO Experts Academy, you'll find many advanced techniques, some of which are very simple to use, and this TUMBLR PR7 and plenty of PR6 free backlink technique is just one of those inside the course. So before I jump into TUMBLR and demonstrate exactly how to do this, I'd just like to establish what it would cost if we were to purchase on a link rental basis, something like a PageRank 7 or PageRank 6 link each month. So over here on Link Ad Age, if we scroll down, this is quite a popular link rental site. We can see here we've got a PR7 text link. Let's check out the price for that. So we can see on this particular offer it's $100 per month for a single PR7 link. Now with this TUMBLR technique that I'm talking about here from SEO Experts Academy, it's very important to note that it's PageRank on the page. So where our backlink will go, the actual page has PageRank. It isn't existing elsewhere on the root domain level, but it's actually where we're going to build the link. And that's what you're getting here, where you would be paying $100 per month. But of course, we're going to be getting that link for free from TUMBLR. But let's also have a look at a PageRank 6 text link. So in this particular case, it's $60 per month for a PageRank 6 link. So you can see easily that if you're getting a probably permanent TUMBLR PR6 and PR7 backlink, you could be saving a lot of money and obviously boosting the page rank and a bit of reputation and authority for your website as well. And you can actually do this with virtually any of your sites whenever you wish through this technique. So here we are on the TUMBLR homepage, and we need to log in and create a new account. Every time we want to create a new keyword-driven backlink from these high PR pages, we have to create a new account. So we need a new email address, which could be from Yahoo or Gmail, or in this particular case I'm just using a mail.com one. They're very quick to set up. Now there are three important caveats or notes on these TUMBLR PR6 and PR7 backlinks. First is that you can't have any spaces within your keyword. So if you've got a multi-word anchor text that you're aiming to rank for, you'll need to use dashes and not spaces. The second thing is that if somebody has already taken that particular keyword phrase on TUMBLR, because when you set up a new account here, it creates a subdomain on TUMBLR, then unfortunately you'll be blocked from creating a second one. So you need to find the one that actually will work for you in terms of keywords that haven't been created on TUMBLR. Now, it's also important to note with your TUMBLR backlink that this only works for a home page. As you'll see when I go into the setup process for this backlink, it won't work for inner pages because where we need to put that link, TUMBLR does not accept // So it must be going to your home page, but in most cases that's not a big problem. Also, there's a 22 character limit on what your keyword subdomain on TUMBLR can be, so it can't be a very long tail kind of phrase. You have to keep it to 22 characters. So I'm going to put in my email address and create a new account. Because email verification will be required. Now for this demonstration purpose, I'm actually going to create a backlink to my personal trainer's new website. So I'm just going to put that in, Personal Trainer London. So you can see here we can't use spaces, so we've got to have these dashes. Personal-trainer-London. So then we just click on Start Posting, and if there's an error message, then it'll be clear and we need to try a different subdomain combination in case that one's already taken. Looks good. If we've gone to the captcha, then there's no problem. Apart from not being able to actually read the captcha, which is a common problem these days. I think that's RS there. Now, so I've created this TUMBLR account, but I actually need to go over to my mail.com account and make sure the email verification is done. So I'm just going to reload and check mail there. And we'll see here I've got my TUMBLR verification, so I need to click on that. So the next thing I need to do is just create a post. So let me just click on text here. And that will be absolutely fine. Doesn't need to be very elaborate. Just going to create that post. Now I just need to customize the appearance in order for this to work properly. So I click on theme, and of course we're going to avoid all the paid themes on Tumblr and just scooch down straight to a freebie. Doesn't matter what the site actually looks like, it'll have no bearing on the backlink. So now you can see we've got this settings page here. If you've skipped over the customize appearance, you won't get that settings to come up. So it's very important that you go in and just add that free themed appearance. So we come in here and we click on settings, and the area that we need to go to is this use a custom domain name, not our subdomain that we created there. So I'm just going to click on that. Now I need to go and get my personal trainer's URL. And remember, I can't have any forward slashes, anything like that, so you don't need HTTP. It should just look like that. And by the way, you're seeing that I do quite favor .cc domains there as well, which I use a lot when I'm going for exact match domains, and obviously .coms and .nets and so on are already taken. So we've set up our custom domain there. So I just need to scroll down now and save preferences. So that's done. The next step is we actually need to find some high page rank Tumblr pages to post on. So the exact syntax that we need is this one here. So we need site:/Tumblr, and there's no E in tumblr.com. No spaces there, and then a space, and in inverted commas, like this. Now, in order for this to work properly, you need to have the SEO Quake plugin switched on. So down here in the bottom corner, I'm just making sure that my SEO Quake is switched on, and then I click on Google Search. And it will take a couple of moments there to work because I've actually set my search settings to look through 100 search results. And the quick way to do that is here. If you just click on this kind of cog or wheel, this is in Firefox, just click on Search Settings and scroll down. By default it's 10, but you just need to switch that up to 100 results and then Save Preferences. That's an important step there. So we just click on OK. We're back here, and SEO Quake now is just going to go through all of those 100 sites on that first page of results and just get the page rank for them. You can see here on my SEO Quake that I've set it up not to report back a lot of information, just to speed up the process. Okay, so it looks like it might be finished there. Now on the SEO Quake kind of toolbar, we need to just toggle up and down the page rank, so we're seeing the highest at the top. And you can see here we've got this PageRank 7 page on Tumblr. We've got PageRank 6 here, PageRank 6 here, PageRank 6 here, some 5s going down, quite a few 5s. So anytime you wish, when you have a new site or an existing site that's struggling, you can add a very high page rank from the page, backlink to it through this Tumblr technique. So what we do next is we can see this PageRank 7 page here. What we need to do is click on that particular link. And because I'm actually signed into Tumblr at the moment, it's all going to work just fine. And we can see up in the top left-hand corner that this is a PageRank 7 page. So this is a pretty good page to have a backlink on. And all we need to do is just come up to this heart symbol here on the right and just click on like. And that changes color to show that we have actually liked it now. Now, in order for my backlink to show, I need to just reload this page and refresh it to update it. Might have to do it a couple of times to get it to appear here. Just try one more time there. There we are. So Personal Trainer London now is at the very top link. And you can see there, no spaces, but I've got the dashes in. And you can see down the bottom left-hand corner there that does connect to my personal trainer's new website. So we just need to click on that, just double check that it takes us to Crassie's site, which it does. And there we are, her website. So it's a very fast technique. It's one you can easily train an outsource or a member of staff to use. And that's just an example of one of many, many kind of advanced techniques and approaches that we have based on our own testing and research and experience. Obviously, that's a very, very fast and effective way to get a great PageRank backlink just from Tumblr.